This 2024 Grand Design Reflection 100 Series 22RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Gassville, Arkansas, 72635 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Gassville. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 55 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.